We're joined today by Darren Fry with Water Street Solutions. Darren, let's talk about this soybean market. Last week had a couple of hard down days. Where are we with this market and where are we headed?
Yeah, that's a great question. Technically, the market is just holding on to support levels. And last week, I think between fund liquidation and the hype of higher yields coming into the USDA report, the market just sold off and it had a poor weekly close. But there's a fundamental story out here for the crush margins. They're huge, but we're just not seeing the export demand, especially from China, and that's got everybody really concerned. Opposite of that is a strong oats market, a strong wheat market, a strong corn market, but beans are really lagging. And I think the oil is, the story is really vegetable oil, and we've seen soybean oil kind of trying to correct. So beans have just been caught, dead, in the water and really leaking lower.
What is the opportunity here? Is there still a chance to turn this around or change it? I mean, we know South America is planting a pretty big crop down there. This is the time of year when we really see that strong export demand.
Yeah, we're just not getting it this year. They're still taking boats out of Brazil. But, when you talk about opportunities to go higher for the farmer to sell and clean up old crop or start anew, with the talk of all the acres for beans next year with high fertilizer prices, I think there is. But I think, Clinton, it's going to come down to what the weather's going to be from December 15th forward. And also, if we see anything happen with more Chinese demand, right now it just doesn't look like it's going to show. But we know that could change. But right now it doesn't appear so. So I would say weather, inflationary talk, and a change in China's appetite for U.S. beans is the only thing that'll turn that around.
Real quick, USDA's report coming out. Any big expectations from that for soybeans?
Well, I think a lot of people are thinking they're going to downgrade the exports and increase the yield. And if so, we're going to push that 350, 400 million carryover mark. And that's really what the trade is worried about right now. So we'll wait and see.
All right. Appreciate it, Darren. Thank you so much, as always, for being here. We'll be back with more Ag Day coming up in just a minute.
Thank you.
For marketing strategy specific to your operation, contact Water Street Solutions at 866-249-2528 or online at www.waterstreet.org.